Hey, look at that dog! He looks scary. Let's get out of here.
No, don't run. Dogs are faster than you, and it might want to chase you.
What do we do?
We should play the safe game. It's easy. When a strange dog approaches, stay still and chill. Arms crossed like a boss. Face away like you don't want to play. Eyes down and look at the ground. We want the dog to get bored, so it will go away. Don't run, scream, or wave your arms around any dog. That's not safe.
Okay, let's be safe together.
Stay still and chill.
Don't move and don't make a lot of noise.
Arms crossed like a boss.
Keep your arms still and close to your body.
Face away like you don't want to play.
Turn your head to the side.
Eyes down on the ground.
Keep your eyes down. Don't stare at the dog.
Look, it left! The safe game works! I'll teach my friends the safe game too.